Today, we are embarking on a journey throughout Africa, exploring the diverse and unique ways eggs are enjoyed across the continent. From the bustling markets of Morocco to the serene landscapes of South Africa, get ready to discover the top egg dishes that represent the rich African cuisine. Our first stop is the land of ancient wonders, Egypt. Here, eggs take the center stage. First off, we have the Egyptian rolled eggs. This dish takes hard-boiled eggs to a new level by transforming them into flavorful rolls. The eggs are carefully peeled and then rolled in a vibrant mixture of spices such as cumin, paprika, and ground coriander, which infuses them with a tantalizing aroma. These seasoned eggs are then gently pan-fried to create a crispy outer layer that contrasts beautifully with the soft and creamy yolk inside, often served as a snack or appetizer. Next, we have Eggah. This flavorful and hearty omelette-like dish is a staple on breakfast tables and is also enjoyed as a filling snack or a light meal throughout the day. Eggah typically consists of beaten eggs mixed with a variety of ingredients such as diced tomatoes, onions, bell peppers, and aromatic herbs like parsley and cilantro. The mixture is then seasoned with a blend of spices including cumin and ground pepper to infuse the dish with a burst of flavor. The mixture is poured into a hot skillet and cooked until set, resulting in a fluffy golden brown creation that is visually appealing as it is delicious. This next dish is a recent creation that has captured the hearts of many Egyptians: Falafel Scotch egg. This unique dish takes the beloved concept of a classic Scotch egg, a hard-boiled egg enveloped in seasoned sausage meat and breadcrumbs, and it gives it an exotic twist by replacing the traditional sausage with flavorful and spiced falafel mixture. The falafel, crafted from ground chickpeas or fava beans, is delicately seasoned with aromatic herbs and spices such as cumin, coriander, and parsley. The egg is coated in this vibrant mixture, then coated with a crispy layer of breadcrumbs and gently fried to golden perfection. The result is a marriage of the tender savory falafel exterior with the creamy center of a perfectly cooked egg. This innovative cross-cultural creation captures the essence of both Egyptian and British cuisine. Lastly, in this Egyptian ride, we have egg with pastima. Pastima or Basturma is a highly seasoned, air-dried cured beef that is found in the cuisines of Turkey, Armenia, Lebanon, Egypt, Greece, Iraq, and North Macedonia. This dish harmoniously blends the richness of the eggs with the bold and savory essence of pastima. The eggs serve as the perfect canvas to showcase the intense flavors of the pastima. As the eggs cook, the pastima infuses its aromatic spices, lending a distinctive depth to the dish. Next up, we are headed to West Africa's culinary powerhouse, Nigeria. Nigerian egg sauce is a dish that holds a special place in the heart of Nigerian cuisine. This sauce embodies a harmonious blend of flavors and textures, making it a favorite accompaniment to various staple foods such as rice, yams, plantains, and bread. The sauce is typically prepared by sautéing diced onions, tomatoes, and bell peppers until they combine into a rich and savory base. Smoked fish and minced meat can also be added. Eggs are then cracked directly into the sauce and gently stirred, allowing them to cook. The result is a luscious, hearty sauce with tender bits of scrambled eggs that absorb the aromatic essence of the ingredients. Another Nigerian egg dish is the Nigerian Egg Roll. The Nigerian egg roll is a beloved street food that boasts a unique combination of flavors and textures. A crispy and golden brown outer layer of pastry encases a delicious surprise at its core, a perfectly cooked boiled egg. This culinary creation marries the tenderness of a boiled egg with the satisfying crunch of the roll's exterior, making for a delightful contrast that's as visually appealing as it is satisfying. Seasoned with a mix of spices, the egg roll is not only a popular snack but also a portable meal option, often enjoyed on the go. Let's move to North Africa, where the aromatic flavors of Morocco await. Shakshuka. This iconic dish has captured the hearts of food enthusiasts around the world. A base of rich spiced tomato sauce provides a warm and inviting bed for perfectly poached egg. The sauce is a mixture of peppers, onions, garlic, and traditional spices like cumin, paprika, and cayenne pepper. As the eggs gently cook within the sauce, their velvety yolks create a delightful contrast against the tangy and slightly sweet tomato mixture. It is often garnished with fresh herbs like cilantro or parsley and accompanied by crusty bread for sopping up every last drop of goodness. Our journey now takes us to the captivating landscapes of Ethiopia. We are welcomed by a dish called Doro Wat. Despite it not being an egg-forward dish, the boiled egg is a must-have to make the dish complete. Doro Wat is a rich and spicy chicken stew often enjoyed during festive occasions. The dish features hard-boiled eggs simmered in a flavorful blend of Berber spice, onions, and tomato. Doro Wat is typically served with injera, a sourdough flatbread made from teff flour. Heading down to the southern tip of the continent, we arrive in South Africa. Here, we have Durban Egg Chutney. This is a vibrant and flavorful condiment that hails from the culturally diverse city of Durban, South Africa. This chutney is a fusion of aromatic Indian spices and local South African ingredients, creating a harmonious balance of sweet, tangy, and spicy flavors. At its core, Durban Egg Chutney features eggs that are generously coated with a rich tomato-based sauce. This sauce is made with a mix of ingredients such as tomatoes, onions, garlic, ginger, and an array of spices like cumin, coriander, sugar, and chili. The chutney's tantalizing aroma and complex taste profile make it a beloved accompaniment to various dishes such as fluffy rice or crispy roti. The chutney is more like an inspiration from the famous North African Shakshuka. Making our way to West Africa once again, we land in Ghana. We explore the delightful street food of boiled egg with grounded pepper. This dish features perfectly boiled eggs that are typically halved or quartered and served with a side of spicy pepper sauce. The pepper sauce is a harmonious blend of fiery scotch bonnet peppers, onions, tomatoes, and aromatic spices. The heat of the pepper is balanced by the creaminess of the hard-boiled eggs, resulting in a satisfying contrast that awakens the palate. This popular street food or snack is enjoyed across Ghana, offering a quick and bold burst of flavor that captures the essence of West African cuisine. Another dish that features boiled egg is the beloved Ghanaian salad. This colorful dish consists of a variety of fresh and crispy vegetables such as lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, and bell peppers. The salad is often elevated with the addition of ingredients such as hard-boiled eggs, avocado slices, beans or grilled chicken for a protein boost. The magic lies in the dressing, a harmonious blend of zesty lime or lime juice, tangy vinegar, and a touch of Ghanaian heat from chili peppers. Algeria beacons with its exquisite dish known as Mshewsha. This Algerian dish is made with lots of eggs, a little semolina, and a little flour. You pour warm honey over it and allow it to soak in. Delicious. Mushosha can be enjoyed for breakfast or with an afternoon coffee. It tastes like a cross between fluffy pancake and French toast. Our adventure takes us to the vibrant and colorful kitchens of Kenya. Kenyan egg bread, locally known as Mkate or Mayai, is a delightful and savory fusion of flavors that holds a special place in the hearts of Kenyans. This popular street food captures the essence of comfort and simplicity, featuring slices of soft, pillowy bread soaked in a fragrant mixture of eggs and milk before being skillfully pan-fried to golden perfection. The result is a harmonious blend of textures, with the outer layer boasting a delicate crispiness with the inner core remaining wonderfully moist and custardy, often enjoyed as a quick breakfast or snack. Another Kenyan favorite is Mayai pasua, almost similar to Ghanaian boiled egg with pepper sauce. In the Kenyan version, a mixture of chopped tomatoes and onions known as kachumbari is added. Tomato or chili sauce is drizzled at the end to give it a saucy finish. Our final stop in this journey is Tunisia, which invites us to explore the delectable Brik, a deep-fried pastry filled with a mixture of tuna, capers, parsley, and a whole raw egg. The egg's yolk remains runny when the pastry is fried, creating a luscious and satisfying burst of flavor when the Brik is beaten into. We are just scratching the surface, guys. Africa is a huge continent and there is more egg dishes to be discovered. From savory to sweet, spicy to mild, each dish showcases the creativity of African chefs. Let us know in the comment section below which egg dish you would love to try. Be inspired to make your own versions at home too. There will be definitely part 2 of this video. Subscribe so you don't miss out. Before you go, feel free to connect with us in the comment section. Let us know which African foods you'd like to see. This is a channel where we help you discover new and exciting recipes and help unlock your creativity.